First and foremost, pinkies up if you're down with the patriarchy right now, baby! That's what I'm talking about. You know, so I'm in the back, being rained on and such, and then I hear an effeminate female voice calling me out and saying, Kyle, I want to fight you. Kyle, I'm going to beat your ass. And I think to myself, how progressive. I think to myself, how liberal. That a woman has the balls, so to speak, to call out the powerweight champion, to call out Kyle Blizzard. But then I hear that was Mikey Spandex. That feminine voice that you heard called me out. Is that Mickey Mouse? No, it's Mikey fucking Spandex. And I think to myself, fuck Mikey Spandex. That's what I think to myself about Mikey Spandex. I don't care if he's the #1 contender. I don't care if he's catering every week. I don't care what it is that he does. He doesn't impress me. I don't like him. He's not on my level. In fact, he's this fucking tall, guys. All right, right about here. Okay? So, not impressed with Mikey Spandex. But what I will do is fulfill the promise of Mikey Spandex's effeminate voice. And I will put this Powerweight Championship on the line to any woman that has the balls, not Mikey Spandex, not Mikey Spandex, any woman that has the balls to face me. So let's see what we got.
Here comes Nyla Rose.